Okay, I don't know if this video I'll make it. It all depends if my girlfriend likes it. So the last 7 rings I made, I was making for when I go to England. So I'm going to drop them all in there, and I'm going to give them, see if they take a patina. Some may not. 2 drops only. So I'll give that a couple of minutes to go off, and I'll be back. Right, let's see what we got. Oh, the half crown took. I doubt the 10p took. No, it didn't take. That took. That took. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be 2 more in there. That took. The copper one took. Yeah, the 10p didn't take. Right. This is just a little something extra, like, you know, a bit of fun. Like, we like a bit of fun, don't we? I had some fun once. 1972, I think it was. So what we got? We got 3, 4, 5. We got 5 out of 7. That copper one. I love copper. I should be getting some copper coins off a friend of mine, one of my subscribers. I sent him a ring. He's having trouble making payments from the States. I mean, it's not my end, because I'm still getting people from Australia and the UK and different places buying stuff, but for some reason he can't. I don't know if the banks have stopped people buying over there. I think, God knows. But let's zoom in a bit. We'll have a play. I don't know if you're interested in this, but, you know, I am. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is that Denmark coin, I think. And after I've done this, I clear coat them, so you don't lose it. It's like money. People pay with their bloody card for everything. Start using cash, because if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. And then what are people going to do? Not too shabby. I should have a bit of wild wool here somewhere. Where? There you go, there's a bit there. Just do that top lip. The inside, I get my big size 9 fingers in there. This is just quad 0 steel wool as well, so we don't really damage the coin. Right, what we got? Well, it depends where you want to stop with this, how far you want to go. I'm quite happy with that. So if you're from Denmark, you're looking for a little ring, guess what? I got one. But don't tell anybody else. Yeah, I like it. Right, that's one. What we got here? I don't know what coin this is at the moment. Can't see Jack. Oh, I think it's that Swedish one. I'm surprised that took. See, it's really weird. Like some coins don't take it at all, like that 10p. I mean, I just made out of junk metal. Probably just steel. There's obviously something in this one as well that lets it patina up a bit. 1987. I remember that year. On the top lip. A bit of shine in it somewhere. How's it looking? Yeah. Now that ain't too shabby, is it? That's quite nice. Right, that's two. We'll leave the half crown till last, shall we? What we got here? Oh, yeah. There's not much on this one. This is a Tunisian coin, I think. Yeah. It just lines on it and stuff like that. A bit of a shield there. Right. Yeah, I must admit, I do like patina on rings. I think it makes all the difference. That's just me, you know. If you don't like the patina, I can easily take it off. I'll just bring out Kate Bush again and give it a bit of the old one too. I like to get that edge a bit shiny. Shiny, happy people. There's not enough of them around at the moment, is there? The world's gone crazy. Right. Here you go, folks. Patinaed. Right, what we've got here. Oh, this is a US quarter. I'm surprised this took. because it's not silver. It just takes the colour off the relief, off the raised bits of the coin. I've got some blue somewhere. God knows where it is. I'd like to try the blue instead of the, the black. I like to try different stuff, Keeps it more interesting. Keeps you on your toes a bit more, you know what I mean? Because I have to look at the monitor to do this, because I can't see jack. It ain't coming up too bad. Like I say, I clear coat all my rings. But it doesn't last forever. It all depends how you wear your ring. Come on. Right, how's it looking? Not too bad. Obviously, the more you rub, the more you get rid of it. I'm happy with that. It looks a bit rough, but at the end of the day, this is zoomed in about 10 million times. So, right, let's do the half a crown. This should come up gorgeous. And yet some half crowns don't take it. It's weird, isn't it? I mean, this isn't silver, it's copper nickel like all the other ones, but there must be something in it that makes it a bit more, Right, how's that looking? It's more bronzy than black, but yeah, nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. Straight away you can see it's a half a crown. So yeah, I'm going to clear coat these. I didn't want to know, the 10p. Or did that one? Oh no, that's the Tunisian one. Anywho's, yeah, they all fit this finger perfectly. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the don't like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching. Hope you're having a great week, great weekend, whatever it is. And I will see you all on the next episode of Mr. Wonderful. And you can all have this. Have it. Have it again.